Hey there, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you a simple way to add your own custom app icon. So whatever logo you want, you'll be able to put it as the logo of your app, exactly like it shows right here. Instead of this default Flutter logo, you'll have your very own app icon basically. So let's just get straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is visit this website right here, appicon.co. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add an image right here. This is just an amazing logo I created really quick. I hope you like it. And the first thing I'm gonna do is basically just uncheck the iPad, Watch OS, and Mac because I just want icons for the iPhone and the Android. This I don't really change. It's fine by me to have this name, so I just hit generate. And this basically gives you a zip that you can download. I'm just gonna extract all this to the desktop. Close it, and this here isn't important. The only thing you care about are these two folders right here. This is all you care about. Now back to the project here. First we're going to do Android, and after we're going to take care of iOS. So Android, you just come to the Android folder right here, then you go to app src, and then main, and then finally you go to res. And I'm just going to click res and select show in Explorer. Of course, if you're using a Mac, it'll say show in Finder. Either way, you just want to get to the folder of it. And once you're here, you go into that folder. And basically what is going on over here is that you only really care about these folders right here. So only the map folders matter really for this. And if you're confused by the names, it's basically like this is the smallest size, then this is medium, then it basically goes larger from here to here. This is the smallest size and this is the largest size. And if I click into it, you'll see that this is the logo that shows up, and the name is actually the same as that default name you saw before on the appicon.co website. But anyway, obviously this is the logo we don't want, so what we need to do is open our own Android folder that we just downloaded, and as you can see, it's the exact same thing. So do this however you want to. I'm basically going to delete this and then just copy and paste this here. Well, cut and paste actually. And so I don't need this folder anymore. I can delete it. And now if we go in here, as you can see, it's our very own beautiful logo. Now back in Android Studio, you come over here to the res folder once again, and you go to new, and you pick this option right here, image asset. Once you do that, this will open. And here, the only thing you need to do is select the path of your logo wherever it may be. In this case, it should be on the desktop. It's right here. For some reason this wasn't updating, but there it is, amazing logo. I'm just going to do OK. And this is why it's important, because this amazing logo wouldn't look as amazing if I didn't do the resizing a little bit. And now it looks good in pretty much all the versions. So for Android, this is pretty important because the different formats and stuff like that. And then you just do next, and everything's pretty much automatic. It just replaces your stuff or whatever. Just do finish, and boom, that's the Android part taken care of. Now let's go ahead and see how to go about it on iOS. And surprisingly enough, on iOS it's actually simpler. You go to the runner folder, iOS runner, and then there's this folder right here, which is, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I think it's assets.xc assets. I think that this is what's up pronunciation wise. So basically you just select runner, once again, show in Explorer. It's right here. So you go into the folder, and as you can see, it's the exact same name. The content is actually the same basically, although this folder isn't there. So if you have this folder, just go ahead and replace these two. Otherwise, just basically replace this folder with this one. It would be fine. In fact, I will do that just to show you guys that it would be fine, like so. And well, I can't show you guys because I'm not on a Mac, but it'll be fine, don't worry about it. But now basically, let's see if it's already updated, shall we? It is not, so let's go ahead and do this and then restart this. Wait a little bit. And now that it has been loaded back, let's go back over here. And as you can see, the app icon is the amazing logo I designed for this video. So that's pretty much how you go about it. As you can see, it fits, it's actually fitting because of that thing we did where we resized the logo to make sure it fits on all Android formats. So as long as you do that, you will be fine. I hope this video was able to help you. If it was, please hit that like button. And if you're new to Flutter, feel free to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. This is Flutter Mentor, and out.